Hello and welcome to Dumbphones UK. I'm Joseph, I'm a stand-up comedian from the UK, and I'm going to be looking at the Cat S22 Flip, and today we're looking specifically at the camera. There we go. The main question, is it any good? I've gone out and about in rainy UK. It's August and it's still raining. I've gone out and about and I've had my brolly with me and I've taken some photos on my camera that I'm using to film this, which is a Sony ZV-E10. I've used the Cat S22 Flip and I've used an iPhone 10 as well, just to show you a bit of a difference between a camera, a smartphone, and then a transition device slash sort of dumber phone, so you can see the difference between them. So you can make a decision as to whether the camera is good enough for you. I've also done a couple of selfies with this camera, so you can see the quality of those and see whether it's suitable for what you need. But all in all, I hope you enjoyed the video. You find me outside, because I'm going to grab some photos and videos on the Cat S22 Flip. But it being the British summer in August, it's raining, so don't say I don't do anything for you. So there we have it, there's some photos there of the Cat S22 Flip. It's obviously up to you to decide whether you think the phone is good enough for what you need. Personally for me, I found it quite clunky to take photos, because when you're holding the phone to take a photo, often you're taking it like this. Sometimes I find that the middle button isn't selected, so you'd need to tab along to it. But when you select the middle button, up here on the touchscreen, you can use this button down here to take the photo. However, there are instances where when I click this button, it changes it to video or it does something else. And using the touch screen can be a bit clunky when you're trying to hold it like this, because your finger then gets in the way. As you can see here, your finger then gets in the way of the camera itself as the camera is here on the phone. So I'd say slightly clunky, slightly hard. So let's just show you there so you can see my hand. I've got the tab over and you can see that the photo has been taken. And then when we open it, you can see that my hand is on there. And you can decide whether it's the right device for you. So if you've got any questions, any queries, obviously drop a message below and I'll do what I can. And other than that, have a lovely one. Behave yourselves. Bye.